The essence of my approach is to assemble natural materials to create open spaces, playing with natural light, the first universal resource. The method to approach the design of new architectures must be open and polymorphic, and structurally in harmony with human body. The whole should be light, sunlight filtered by the building. The tactile richness of a material is weak if it appears only as an opaque mass, as closed volume appears lifeless, with no ability to change expression. If a material breaks down into particles, then it appears to be dynamic and evanescent. Sometimes it seems to screen them by the movement of natural light or the motion of the observer. The matter seems to disperse and evaporate. The trellises, initially perceived as walls, progressively allow light to pass through, tending towards the abstract. It is this approach, fragility and transparency, that constitute the basis of our design. The thresholds may be comparable to a natural but symbolic space that would form a dividing line between two territories. The interior is considered as known, controlled space. The exterior is an indeterminate, infinite space to be discovered. The threshold marks the passage between these two universes, between what is here and what is there. The ma is its spatial temporal extension. Its kanji symbolizes the sun surrounded by a door. Space is never saturated. The balance between the containers and the space is crucial. The notion of space or space-time that connect things and give them meaning is rooted in the ethos of our agency. The threshold is an in-between. It does not mark an entry, but link between inside and out. We consider architecture and nature as one entity. We try to erase its boundaries. This in-between, which constitutes the envelope of the building, is porous. Not to mean separation, it forms a filter. For this project in Rabat, we wanted to reinterpret the Oriental Musharabieh. Its function is close to the filter's facade. It protects forms the sun and gives depth and intimacy. We also take inspiration from the Moroccan zerige motif and add a third dimension, depth. The primary geometric shape is drawn on a flat surface. Each two-dimensional element is removed from the surface. Through interlocking play and repetition, these particles makes up a complex form that seems limitless.